Hi class, my name is Crystal Jackson, and today I will be giving my final speech on the public library system and the need for adult literacy programs. I just wanted to go back and reiterate some of my points where over 1 million Georgians lack basic literacy skills. We are reading below a sixth grade level, and it costs us. It's one of those silent issues, but it shows up with us losing $1.3 billion annually. And if the money doesn't worry you, maybe the health benefits would. So the benefits from reading is you do gain valuable knowledge. You're learning things. You're picking up new words. You exercise your brain. The same way doctors and society push for us to exercise our bodies, go to the gym, eat healthy. There needs to be a push towards reading. Your brain is a muscle. It creates synapses between each other and it helps your brain when you read. It improves your focus, it improves your memory, and it is an entertainment source. There is a book out there for everyone. If you like sports, there are books about sports. If you like Star Wars, there are sci-fi books out there for you. If you like historical romances, there's a book out there for you. So I think people need to be open and start searching for what genre would fit them best. It also improves your ability to empathize. People are more likely to empathize with each other if they are readers because they have put themselves in someone else's place when they're reading. It, it improves your communication skills, it reduces stress, improves your mental health. People who read are less likely to be affected by Alzheimer's disease. You live longer. So those are the benefits, and I think I can't find one fault in wanting people to be able to read and read more. So that's my speech. Thank you. And these are my citations. All right, have a good day.